Alright guys, hold on, let this guy come.
That's the fucking intro, keep it in. Keep that shit in there.
So, we're late today, because the dog was fucking. Buju got his first nut, he was like, ying, 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 ying.
Buju done made some babies, bro.
Okay. So, it's finally Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, and it's time for Fuel Fest. We're casually late as hell, but we're gonna make it. The car got tuned last night. I think we did just about like 530, 500. So, it sounds pretty good. It held together besides breaking the axle. Got everything swapped around, and we're gonna break down some tires and get out of here because we're on no time. We're late, bruh. And whatever else.
We were supposed to leave at 8 p.m. last night, and we were so late, we're leaving at 8 a.m. the next day, which is kind of crazy. So we'll be there in about 14 hours, bro, and it's only an hour and a half away. But we're gonna be so late, we're gonna come after the event is over, so it's fine. But we gotta break down some tires and get the fuck out of here and try to make it on time, so we got some fun. And crazy thing is, it's a test day. We're testing for some bigger shit. I think we'll have an announcement about that later, but I don't know if you already talked about it, but he probably haven't, so we'll talk about that later. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what we can do. Yes.
Shout out Bryce, BKR, for tuning my car last night.
Squeezing me in. Right there. Zoom in on that shit, bro. Let these people see what we talking about. BKR, if he ain't tuning your car, bro, you dumb as hell, bro. I'm sorry.
Pretty much.
So yeah, we about to leave. He dismounted his tires, bro. We're late. We have no fucking tires. We're going. Praying to God we got tires. Well, guess what? There's always somebody selling tires, bro. Come on, the way this truck coming. He might hit you with that goddamn wheel.
Oh, shit, bright.
For real. So yeah, we about to head down right now. I think we need E85. I'm pretty sure because I need E85. I think his truck needs to get fueled up, but I think, yeah, we just looked at the time. The ETA is, we are 1 hour and 30 minutes away. So it's not bad. It's not a bad day.
Hey, big shout out to my girlfriend and Stephen for grinding all week. We've been late night, 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. in the morning. And Gavin just been looking at us with a camera the whole time. That's crazy.
This motherfucking dude Gavin been getting on my nerves, bro. Honestly, bro, I feel like swinging at the camera right now.
Hey, this is no sleep team right here.
Get hit with that shaft, boy.
Think about to fucking blow up his tonsils before you get there, bro. That's crazy. Nigga, first time going to a fucking event, bro.
Why he pulled up to pull back up? That's my dog. All right, everyone, we actually made it to Fuel Fest 2024. Got the car unloaded. We're gonna go ahead and start prepping to get ready. We got some tires to mount, and we're about to have some fun. not gonna lie, this event is pretty sick. Where is it? I don't got it. But the ride-alongs is pretty cool because essentially we should be close to breaking even, if not breaking even. The car has been working pretty good. My wastegate popped off, and it started running a little weird. Figured that out, put it on, ran it, did a good couple laps, and then it feels like it's starting to break up a little bit, so I'm gonna go see what's going on. Maybe check my plugs. I'm gonna put a fresh set of tires on, do a little run or two, and see what it does. I'll just probably stay in the back on these tandem runs, but yeah, that's where we're at. It's pretty sick, and it ain't even started yet. My magic cam seal stopped leaking. That's crazy. Stopped leaking on the dyno.
I'm fucking going back. So what it looks like is that this right there caught on fire.
Bro, I did a third gear ripper smoke show, and I'm like, damn, this tires smell very fucking weird. And then I'm just
stinks,
like, bro, I'm like, this don't smell like Ken does. I'm like, this should smell like Acceleras. And then I'm like, damn, this shit getting stronger. I'm like, the smoke ain't going away. I look back, this bitch is on fucking fire. I was like, that's cool.
Kill switch off?
I think so.
We got Kashad over here. He's on fire today. He's doing really well. Car was absolutely killing it.
He didn't roll on the floor.
Yeah, it's not upside down, so that's a
You are not on fire.
Stop, drop, and roll!
You're not on fire, Ricky Bobby.
I'm on fire!
Yeah, my friend's on fire.
Oh, come on, fire. You see Kashad just get out in the track, start rolling around. You're like, you're good. You're like, no, your car's on fire, not you.
He told me, he's like, in 5 more seconds, I would have took my shirt off and started it.
Yeah, right?
I've done that before. I'll use my shirt to put on.
You just walk. Over and start undoing your pants. Like, they're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're like, yo, where's the fire extinguisher?
All right, so you guys see my car caught on fire. I've been working on it. I'm trying to pretty much put the wires through the top hat, wire it in. It should work. I'm gonna try and drive. It's probably a little reckless, but we're gonna do it. I bought another fire extinguisher, so don't worry. Hopefully my car won't burn down. It sucks. It took a lot to get here this week. I had a lot of late nights, but I don't know. I think we'll be all right. I think we'll have a little bit more fun, and that's all I can do for today. I'm gonna show you guys my repair job. All right, so we went ahead, just drilled a hole, ran the pump wires through. I want to get a bulkhead fitted, and I obviously don't have one right now, so this is what we're gonna have to do. I'll probably just force this line on way further, tighten it down, it should be good. I'm not worried about a full standing unit. I just gotta keep an eye on where my gas is at and don't. We gotta tighten up a couple other wires here and there. You can't see that great. After we get those done, it should run. Before I put the fuse in it, it ran, popped it just because the ground or whatever, the power. So I'm pretty confident we'll be good with it running. All right, I rewired everything.
Looking close to the camera.
Let's see if it starts. What do you guys think? You think it's gonna run? You think it's gonna run? I think it's gonna run. Let's find out.
Let's go!
It runs, man.
There he goes. Ain't no fire yet, Somebody hit him.
Bye, guys.